Hey guys, it's Peter Jam, Magic Dogs, magicdogs.net. Can a dog not react at all seeing two dogs brutally barking at this dog and knowing that this dog is reactive? I will repeat one more time. Can a totally reactive dog outdoors, seeing other dogs, that these two dogs are brutally barking at him, not care at those dogs and just keep on walking? In this next video you will know. This is Darwin. Good boy Darwin. The doggies are barking there and Darwin is very chill. The Darwin is very chill. Darwin? That's a good boy, Darwin. That's a good boy. That's a good boy, Darwin.